Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat pet channel Quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. I hope you are all doing great. Guys, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends if you are a serious aspirant. A lot of good content has been uploaded and lot of good one is on the way. So please do share it with your friends, right? In today's set, we are going to discuss a very interesting set on the limitational DI, right? We call it this because there are so many constraints used, we will understand it. Six students, Parveen, Quresh, Rohit, Sanjeev, Tarun, and Usman. So PQRST, you are participating in a panel interview of a five members. Akbar, Bowman, Chandra, Deepak, and Ekta. So ABCDE. Each member could give a maximum of 10 marks to any student, and student, the maximum marks can be get is 50. So if 10 are given, 50 is the total marks get by Parveen, right? Hypothetically. Okay. Score obtained by the students were 41, 40, 38, 43, 36, and 37 in any order. Okay. So interesting scores. Okay. No manager gave less than 6 marks. So the number of scores are lying between 6 to 10. Okay. Neither a member can give more than 10 marks to more than one student. Okay. Which means if if let's say Deepak has given 10 marks here, Deepak cannot give 10 marks to any other candidate. Okay. Nor one student can receive 10 marks from more than one member. Now, what does that mean? That if Usman has got 10 marks from Akbar, Usman cannot get 10 anywhere else. So basically, if there is 10 somewhere, 10 cannot appear here, 10 cannot appear here. Similarly, 10 cannot appear here, 10 cannot appear here. So this is the basic thing told to us. ये हमें बताया गया है. ठीक है. Now, let's start filling the values. Right. So, what is the basic thing that we should know in these type of sets? First of all, there are a lot of blank spots. If you will keep on writing A, B, C, D, E, F, there will be a lot of variables, right? ऐसे लिखोगे तो बहुत variables आ जाएंगे. Try to minimize the variables is the first learning. How do we try to minimize? 7 and 6, 13 and 8, 21 and 10, 31. 31 is the total and the marks are 48. So there are 17 marks fetched by these two subjects, right? So this is A, this has to be 17 minus 8, right? So these are the two values and can be filled. These are the three values. Let's leave them right now. Okay. If I fill B over here, 8 and 8, 16 and 9, 25 and 7, 32. 13 minus B. 10 and 7, 17 and 8, 25 and 6, 31, 16. C. 13 minus C. 9, 9, 18, 8, 26 and 7, 33, 16. D. 16 minus D. Okay. So if I call it E, if I call it F, 9 and 8, 17 and 17, 24, 22 minus E minus F. This is the data we have around everything, right? So the total scored by Parveen is 715, 25 plus E plus D. 25 plus D plus E. 24 plus A plus B. Be very careful about these calculations. 8, 6, 49 and 23. See 8 at 16, 29, 37, 46 minus B. 24, 33, 46, 53. 17 and 7, 24, 9, 33, 13, 46 and 53. 10, 32, 39, 55, 45, 61. And what were the scores allowed? Scores allowed were 36, I think, 37, 38, 40, 41 and 43. So these were the scores allowed most probably. Let me just cross check if these were the score allowed. 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 43. Right. Another important thing is retention in NLRDA. The more you will retain things, the less you will have to cross verify. So try to retain the data. The more you will practice, the more retention will increase. Right. Now, what I can do here, D and E can be anything from 6 to 10. Oh, no, not anything. See, we can limit these things, right? How we can limit these things? If I talk about A, see, can I give A 10? A can never be 10, right? Because if A is 10, 10 is already there. It is the wrong information. So A can be a maximum of 9. In that case, 17 minus 9 will be 8. If this is 8, this will be 9. I cannot keep it 7 because again this will be 10. So that is not possible. So A has only two values, that is 8 comma 9. ठीक है, बड़े ध्यान से समझो कि अगर मैं A को 6 रखता हूं तो यहाँ 11 हो जाएगा, पॉसिबल नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर मैं A को यहाँ पे 7 रखता हूं तो यहाँ 10 हो जाएगा, दो 10 पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो 7 भी नहीं हो सकता, 6 भी नहीं हो सकता. A की जो वैल्यू है वो सिर्फ 8 और 9 है. ओके, A is used here, A is used here. Okay, let's think about B. B can be 6, 7, nothing else. उसी basis पे, right? B can be either 6 or either 7, right? If B is kept 6 over here, it is 7. If B is kept 8 over here, this is 5, which means it is not possible. Minimum is 6, right? Now B is 6 comma 7. What about C? C cannot be 10. C cannot be 9. C can again be 6, 7, right? C can again be 6 and 7. 10 and 7, 17 and 8, 25 and 6, 31. Okay, this is 16. This is 16 minus C. Right, so C can be 6? No, C cannot be 6. C can be 7, C can be 7, 8 or 9. Okay. 8 and 9, 17. D can be, can D be 10? D cannot be 10 because a 10 is already here. So D can be 9, 7, 8, 9 again. So these are the limitations I have put. Now let me try to use them and find the answer. B, see, minimum is this constraint. 46 minus B, only one value is used. B is, can be 6 comma 7. If I keep B as 7, 46 minus 7 will be 39. But it is not one of the scores. Right, so B cannot be 7. The only possible value of B is 6. So 46 minus 6, 40. So B is 6. Okay. So this would be then 24 plus 6, 30 plus A. A can be 8 comma 9. Can A be 8? Yes, A can be 8. It will be 38. Can A be 9? No, because if I keep A as 9, 30 plus 9 will result in 39, which is not again any score. So the only possible value for A is 8. So see, two data are sorted that A can be 8 and A is 8 and B is 6. Right, now let me also use this here. A is 8. So this is 8 and 9. B is 6. This is 6 and 7. Okay. Now where are they used? 53 minus A minus C. A is 8. So 53 minus 8 is 45. So this is 45 minus C. 9 and 7, 16 and 9, 25 and 16, 41 and 7, 48. Not 42, 48 minus C. Right, 48 minus C. The scores utilized right now are what? 40 is used. 40 is used. 48 minus C. C can be 7, 8, 9. Can C be 7? Yes, C can be 7. Right, it will be 41. Yes, yes. Can C be 8? C cannot be 8. If I am keeping C as 8, it will be 40. It is not possible. If I keep C as 9, it is not possible. So only one possible value is for C, that is 7. That is 7. 48 minus C is 41. 30 plus A is 8, so this is 38. So 38 is occupied, 40 is occupied, 41 is occupied. The values left are 36, 37, 38. 23 plus C plus F, so this is 30 plus F. Right. C is 7, 7 and 9. Uh, D, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, anything, right? Okay. Now I have to play with the numbers, right? It is 30 plus F, it is the minimum constraint. If I suppose F to be, F can be what? F can be anything. Let us say F is 6 because F can be 6 or 7, right? F can be 6 or 7. The score can be 36 or 37 if it is allowing, right? Let us say if there are two cases possible. So if F is 6, the total score will be 36. In this case, F is 6. In this case, F is 6. Now I am why I'm not erasing the values, because it can be 7 also. Then I will have to make a whole new table, right? So 36 is one possible value. This is 25 plus D, 61 minus, I am taking 6, 55, 55 minus D minus E. 55 minus D minus E. Right. 20, 10, 32, 39, 45, 61. 61 minus D minus E. Hmm. Hmm. Now, if I look at this, 25 plus D plus E, D cannot be 10. D cannot be 10. D can be 7, 8, 9. Right. And the total can reach to 36. Sorry, 36 is occupied. The total can reach to 37 or 43. Can the total be 37? Can the total be 37? In order to make it 37, I need 12 more, which means D plus E both have to be 6 comma 6, not more than that. But D cannot be 6, which means 37 is not a possible total here, right? Which means the only possibility is 43. So D plus E is 18. D plus E, D is 18. So answer is 37. So this is verifying the scenario. This is verifying the scenario. So F can be 6. F can be 6. Okay. Now let us see that if F can be 7 or not. If I am keeping F as 7, this becomes 37, right? This becomes 7. This was 65 minus, so this becomes 54 minus D minus E. Again the same logic. D plus E cannot be, now I have used the score 37. It cannot be 11 anyway, so it has to be 43. It has to be 43. 54 minus 18 has to be 36, right? मैं दोबारा समझाता हूँ जस्ट इन केस. D प्लस E, राइट. अब हमारे पास 37 यूज हो चुके हैं. जब मैंने F को 7 माना, 37 यूज हो गया, बचा क्या? 36. 25 प्लस D प्लस E को 36 बनाने के लिए D प्लस E को 11 होना पड़ेगा, जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं है. So the only possibility is 43, which means this score is definitely 43, and this can be 37, 36. This can be 37, 36. So these are two possibilities, right? Let us answer. Who got the least marks? So least marks are 36. They can be either Rohit or Usman. So answer is 99. 99 represents cannot be determined. Which of the following was not given to Bowman by any candidate? Bowman. Bowman. See, Bowman cannot get a 10, right? If I see F was what? F was either a 6 or a 7. If F was a 6, if F was a 6, this becomes 16 minus F, right? F, right? So 16 minus E. Now this cannot be 10, right? Because यहाँ पे तो 10 आ ही नहीं सकता, right? Okay, so this is very simple. E cannot be the 10 over here, right? So 10 is this. Can E be 6? E can be 6 because I took E. So Usman's total is again 99. Cannot be determined, right? So this completes my set. A very very interesting one. I hope you guys enjoyed learning it, right? If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.